Well, hello there everyone, and welcome back to my mom's kitchen. If you saw my last video, then you know I'm cooking in my mom's kitchen. She is recuperating from knee replacement surgery, and I've been staying with her, and I'm doing some cooking today. Now, what I'm getting ready to make next is a Greek spaghetti. This is so delicious. It's light. It's perfect for summer. You can use your fresh produce if you have some. So I'm excited to share this recipe with you. I've got all my ingredients here on my counter. I'm just going to go over them with you as I make it. But the full recipe will be in the description box below. But we've got to get started because it's time to get cooking. So I have a pot of boiling water here, and I'm just going to season it generously with some salt. And then I have 1 pound of spaghetti. And yes, I break my spaghetti in half. Some people will probably be upset with me about that, but I do. I find that it fits in the pot easier. All right, so what I'm doing now is I'm just going to quarter a zucchini. Just cutting it into small pieces, and I'm doing this while my spaghetti is cooking. All right, so to a large skillet, I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of butter. All right, then I'm going to add some minced garlic, about 2 teaspoons. Then I'm going to add my chopped zucchini. All right, I'm going to add a pinch of salt and some black pepper. All right, then I have some capers, and I'm going to add about a tablespoon or 2. It's up to you if you like capers or not. I actually love capers, so. And then what I have here is about 1.5 cups of grape tomatoes that I have sliced in half. And again, you can add as many as you like. And you can also use Roma tomatoes or whatever tomatoes you like. Then I have about 1 cup of sliced black olives, but you could use Kalamata olives, green olives. You could use Kalamata black and green, whatever you like. All right, let's see if the pasta's done. I think it is. What I'm going to do is I'm literally just going to transfer this spaghetti right over to my skillet. And if there's a little bit of liquid in it, it's completely fine. Off the heat off my spaghetti, and I'm going to drizzle in some olive oil. And I also am going to squeeze the juice of 1 lemon. I'm trying to catch these seeds here in my hand. All right, so I don't know if you guys can hear, but my mom has a little dog named Sophie. And Sophie is making some noise in the background. Mom's trying to keep her quiet, but it's okay. But what I have here is some feta cheese, and I'm going to add, this is a 4-ounce container. I'm going to add all of it because I love feta, but that's, again, feel free to add however much you like. Or if you don't like feta, you can use Parmesan. I have about 1/4 cup of chopped parsley. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to chop up some fresh basil. All right, so I've chopped my parsley. I'm going to add that. And I actually think I'm going to add 2 more tablespoons of butter. All right, that's all there is to it. So simple. Now I'm just going to pour it into a bowl. Oh, this looks and smells delicious. So I'm just gonna plate it up. And then I also have my olive cheese bread that I made. So if you missed that video, you wanna go back and check this out because these two together are going to be fabulous. All right, guys, well, I hope that you enjoyed seeing me cook in my mom's kitchen. It has been a lot of fun. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I'll be seeing you soon with more delicious recipes.